Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the D3DX9 underscore 34.dll error you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in File Explorer. Best match, should come back with File Explorer. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, you want to select this PC, and then you want to double click on your local drive where Windows is installed. It should be indicated by a little Windows icon above the hard drive. So go ahead and double click on that. Do the same thing now for the Windows folder. And then you want to go down to System32. So you just can type in System32 and then just start typing once you've selected a random folder in here, or you can just scroll down. So go ahead and double click on that. In the search System32 field up in the top right, type in D3DX9 underscore 34.dll and give that a moment there. If you see an item that appears under that exact name, you just would right click on it and then delete it, or you just can tap the delete key on your keyboard as well. So again, D3DX9 underscore 34.dll. You also want to go click the back arrow once you've done that, and then go down to the syswow64 folder. So it was a couple folders below the System32 folder here. So syswow64, double click on that. And then again, you want to do the same thing. So D3DX9 underscore 34.dll. It doesn't show us any results. So go ahead and close out of here. Again, you would delete that item if you saw it in there. And you would go open up a web browser at this point. And we're going to search for DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer into Google. I'm going to go to Microsoft.com. So go directly to Microsoft.com for that download. And then you want to select the correct language here. So we're going to select English and then select the download button. Open up the setup file once it's done downloading and select yes. You can go ahead and close out of the web browser at this time. And then you can accept the agreement by selecting that option and then select next. You don't have to install the Bing bar. I'm going to just uncheck that option and then select next. And then select next again. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and select finish. And then you want to restart your computer. And hopefully at this point your issue should have been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.